In this video, we're going to look at Excel's flash fill feature. So flash fill in Microsoft Excel is a really powerful feature, and it's basically where Excel senses a pattern of what's going on in the data and fills the rest of your data based on that pattern that is detected. So we've got 6 examples that we're going to run through, and the first one is an example where we've got first names and last names, and we're going to join them up into the full name. So if we start off by typing out the first one, so Anthony Moon. Now there's kind of 2 options for initiating the flash fill that are quick and easy. The first one is to simply just continue typing the what we need to do. So like that, I've just pressed M and Excel has instantly detected what's going on here, and then I can just hit enter to get the rest of them like that. The other option is once you hit enter, you can just press CTRL E and Excel will do the flash fill like that, providing that it's a pattern that it's managed to detect. So the next example we're going to run through is splitting names, so the opposite to what we've just done. So if I do Anthony in this column here and Moon in the next column, hit enter, and I'm going to do CTRL E, tab, CTRL E, and you can see how Excel has populated all of those cells as quick as that. The next example we're going to look at is initials. So rather than breaking words out or joining them up, this is where we're obviously just looking to take 2 characters from the name. So I'm going to do AM there, hit enter, and then CTRL E, and there we go. We've got MF, DB, AM, etc. for all the other names, all the other initials. A slightly different example here. So what we're doing now is extracting the age. So we've got the first name, the surname, and a comma, and then the age. So if I do 21 and then CTRL E, there we go. All of them populated just like that. So, you know, before this feature, obviously there's various different formulas you can use to do this type of thing. Also things like text to columns. But the last thing you'd want to be doing is doing something like this manually. So having that ability to just do CTRL E is super powerful. The 5th example is typing out an email. So we're going to go back to that same list of names, and then I'm going to put the first email address in. So anthony.moon, go with excelscholar.com. Hit enter, CTRL E, boom, just like that. All of our emails populated in one big list. And then this last example that we're doing, we're looking to kind of correct something in the data. So we've got order IDs and all of their values in dollars. And let's say we want the list of order IDs without these 2 little asterisks, the 2 little stars at the beginning. So I'm going to just write out the first one. So 498038. Hit enter, CTRL E. And then there we go, all of our corrected order IDs populated. So that's just a quick run through of flash fill. Obviously, it's a really powerful feature and something that you definitely want to be aware of because it could end up saving you a lot of time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.